Donald Trump's social media company is going public after shareholders approved a merger. On paper, the move could net the former U.S. president as much as $3 billion. Shareholders of Digital World Acquisition Corp., a publicly traded shell company, voted Friday to approve a merger with former U.S. President Donald Trump's media company. This means that the Trump Media and Technology Group, whose main product is the social networking site Truth Social, will soon begin trading on the U.S. tech-heavy Nasdaq Stock Exchange. Trump would own the largest chunk of the combined company, nearly 79 million shares. That, multiplied by Digital World's Thursday closing price of $42.81, would put Trump's total stake at more than $3 billion, $2.8 billion. But Trump won't be able to cash in Friday's windfall right away. A lockup provision prevents company insiders from selling newly issued shares for 6 months. What is Truth Social? Truth Social launched in February 2022, a year after Trump was banned from major social platforms like Facebook and Twitter, now known as X, following the January 6 riots at the U.S. Capitol. The former president has since been reinstated on both platforms but has stuck with Truth Social as a megaphone for his message. Trump Media lost $49 million in the first 9 months of last year. It brought in $3.4 million in revenue and paid $37.7 million in interest expenses. The company has not disclosed Truth Social's user numbers. But research firm SimilarWeb estimates it had about 5 million active mobile and web users in February.